Good morning, everyone. Yeah, we continue third video of polynomials 10th class. In last video, we discussed how to find the zeros of a polynomial, how to find the number of zeros of a polynomial whose graph is given. See, this type questions we did last class. So suppose this is the graph of y is equal to px, then it has how many zeros? This is x-axis, y-axis. This graph meets x-axis in how many points? 1, 2, 3. So we say that it has 3 zeros. So this was completed in last video. Now see what is new thing. Now in third exercise, second exercise, we already completed last class 2.1. This is finished. Now what is there in 2.2? A note please about this quadratic polynomial. Now second exercise is based on this quadratic polynomial. See, what is the meaning of quadratic polynomial? You know that a polynomial of the type ax square plus bx plus c is called quadratic. Quadratic means what? Second degree polynomial. Okay, and it has, it has 2 zeros. Yes, always quadratic polynomial will have 2 zeros. What zeros are? We have already discussed that. Now what is there in second exercise, after 2.1, 2.2, how to find zeros? First thing of this quadratic polynomial, how to find the zeros, and it has 2 zeros we know. So first we do questions based on this, how to find zeros. After that, next is what what is the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. That will be the next. So today we are doing how to find zeros, find the zeros of, yes, please see different examples. Yes, this is the question. Find the zeros of, we know that it has 2 zeros, but how you find out it's 2 zeros? Okay. See, we have 4 types of questions. We have to do 4 types. How that 4 types of questions, we have plus plus, like this, plus plus, minus plus, plus minus, minus minus. So this I am doing first type. This is plus plus. So please see the system. How to find the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Yeah. First we can take this is equal to 0. What we take? We can take this is equal to 0. Why? Because we have to find out its zeros, no? So that's why you take this is equal to 0 first thing. Then please see the method. We multiply always first and last. Multiply 36 into 5. What is 36 into 5? We multiply them 180. So write like this, plus 180. What is the last sign? Plus. So 36 5s are 180, plus 180. Then you find out its factors. See the method which I am doing now, this is called splitting the middle term. By splitting the middle term method, the method which we are doing now, we have to split this middle term. Please say 36 5s are 180 plus 180. Now we find out the factors. We always cut it by prime numbers. 2 nines, 2 nines are 18, 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 3 ones are 3 fives are 3 fives are 5 ones are. You know how to find out the prime factors of 180. Then from all these factors we decide two numbers. Please see the sign here, 36 5 the 180, no? Here the sign is plus. So whenever here plus is there, remember that we have to add to get the center number. To get the center number, what we do? We decide two numbers. If we add them, we should get 29. See, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 1s are 30. Right? No, 3 3s, I'm sorry. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 4, 49. See, I am not getting 29. So don't take this. Change the idea. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 15 and 12 add 27. I am not getting 29. So we have to decide two numbers. If we add them, we should get what? 29. So like that, take different combinations. See, I am taking now 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20, and 3 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20, 1s are 20, 3 3s are 9. Yes, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 21s are 20, and 3 3s are 9. 20 and 9, 29. I got 29. Then you take both plus, because plus 20 and plus 9 plus 29. So this way we decide. Now please see. Instead of 29, what we write, plus 20 plus 9x plus 36 is equal to 0. This is this method. Now we take common. This is one group, this is one group. What is common in both, 5x? When I take 5x common, so x is left. Because 5 common, x is left. 5 4s are 20 and x is common. Here what is common, you see? 3 divides both, 9 divides both, but you take highest number always. 9 is common. 9 4s are 36. Yes. This and this same. It is compulsory that you should get these two same. If suppose you are not getting these two same, it means you are doing some mistake. We can check that. These two we write one factor. What is the second factor? 5x plus 9. Yes. So from these two we write one factor. 5x plus 9 is the second factor. Continue. After that, please see. Now each factor will be 0. This will be 0. Otherwise 5x plus 9 will be 0, like this. This is 0 or this is 0. So we get two values we get. X plus 4 is 0, 5x plus 9 is 0. Plus 4 shift there, minus 4 here, plus 9 shift there, minus 9. Yes. See, I got two zeros. Zeros means values of x. So what two zeros are? Two zeros are minus 4 and minus 9 by 5. This is the method, please. Okay. So I will do 2-3 more questions. You get the ideas if you see. Then I will give practice type question. So we are doing first type first. Yes. See, simply the question is like this. Find the zeros of, yes. So what is the system method? First we take this is equal to 0. Okay. Then you multiply it. 36 4s are 144. What is the sign, please? Plus. Plus 36 4s are plus 144. Then we break it. Factors. 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are prime factors. 2 threes are 2 six are 2 ones are 2 eights are 2 nines are 3 threes are 3 ones are. Okay. Now from all these we decide two numbers. If you add them, you should get what? 25. Yes. If you add them, because here what is the sign? Plus. When here plus is there, you should add. Yes, I am taking different combination. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2 3s are 6, 3s are 18, 1s are 18, 8 and 18, how much? 26. I am not getting 25. Don't take this. Change the combination. 2 to the 4, to the 8, to the 16, 3 3s are 9, 1s are 9, see 16 and 9, 25. And all factors used. 2 to the 4, to the 8, to the 16 and 3 3s are 9, 1s are 9, 16 and 9, 25. But center is plus, no? You take both plus. Plus because plus 16 plus 9 plus 25. Okay? Then how we write after that? 4x square plus 16x plus 9x plus 36. Yes. So we are splitting this middle term. In place of 25 we write plus 16 plus 9. Then we take common. See what is common here? The highest number. 4. 4 divides both. So 4x common. So from here, if 4x is common, so x left. 4 4s are 16. See, 4 4s are 16. X is common. Finished? 9 common. Because 9 divides both, 9 common. So x left. 9 4s are 36. Then see. These two you must get same. X plus 4 same. So we write 1. What is the next factor? Yes, like this. X plus 4 you write 1 and 4x plus 9 is second. So this is 0 or the second is 0. So x is minus 4 and here minus 9. Yes. So I got two zeros. What two zeros are? One is minus 4 and one is 9 by 4. Like that. Zeros means the values of x. When you put this minus 4 in this polynomial, you know, it will become 0. Like that. When you put minus 9 by 4 in this, it will become 0. Like that. So these are the values of x. Zeros. So still we are doing first type only. So you see more cases. So we have 4 types of questions. Plus plus, minus plus, like that. So I am doing more examples. Find the zeros of, yes, please see, 20x square, 49x plus 30. So first what we do? First we take this is equal to 0, the first step. Then multiply them. 30 into 20. 30 into 20 what? 600. 30 into 20. First and last number we should multiply. 600. Then factorize. 2 3s are 6, 0, 0. 2 1s are 2 5s are 0. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 5 5s are 5 1s are. We got all the factors. Then see, I have to get center number 49. If I add, plus means what? We add to get the center number. This 49 I have to get. So we take different combinations. 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 5 the 15 5 the 75. No, I am not getting this 49. Then 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 the 24, 5 5 the 25, 1 the 25. See, 25 and 24, 49 I got. Like that we decide from that. So now 20x square. In place of 49 what we write? Yes, in place of 49 plus 24 plus 25. Plus 24 plus 25 plus 30. You can write 25 plus 24 also okay. 24 plus 25 or 25 plus 24, no matter. Okay. Common. What is common in these two? 4x. Because 4 divides both, highest number. 4 is the common. So 4 5s are 20, x left. 4 6s are 24, x is common. Finished. These two, what is common? What is the highest number divides both? 5. 5 divides both. See, 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. You got same? Yes. These two must be same, please. Always. Then we write one factor. What is the second factor? Yes. Separating. This is 0 or this is 0. Clear? So plus 6 shift there, minus 6, x is 6 by 5. Minus 5, x is 5 by 4. So we got two zeros. What zeros are? Minus 6 by 5, minus 5 by 4. This is the answer. Zeros are. So we get two zeros always because this is quadratic. So one more question you can say. Find the zeros of, yes, yes, first type only, still plus. So first what we do, we take this is equal to 0 for finding zeros. So I am doing one more question. 24 9s are, we multiply them. 24 9s are 216, yes. Now find the factors. 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 8s are 16. You know, if you cut directly 16, you must take 0. 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 7s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. I have to get 35. If I add two numbers, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 3 the 9, 3 the 27, 1 the 27, see I got directly 8 plus 27, 35, finished. Both plus 8 plus 27 plus 35, so what we write? Plus 8x plus 27x plus 24. What is common? These two? So only x common. 9x plus 8 left. Here 9x left, here 8 left because x is common. These two are common. Which number divides both? 3 divides both. 3 9s are 27, x left, 3 8s are 24. Finished. See, these two are same. Write 1, x plus 3, separating. Yeah, this is 0. This is 0. Last step, you have to take each factor 0. This is 0 or this is 0. Minus 8. Plus 8 becomes minus 8. 8 by 9. Yes, here plus 3 becomes minus 3. So what zeros are? Zeros are minus 8 by 9 and minus 3. Okay. So this is the first type. Now we do second type also. So total 4 types of questions are there. So what is the second type? Minus plus. Let's see. Find the zeros. Yes. Only the sign difference. Method will be same only. So first what we do? First we take this is equal to 0. Okay. Then multiply always these two. 15 3s are 45. See, immediately write the sign. Plus 15 3s are plus 45. This plus shows that you should add to get the center number. 15 3s are 45 plus 45. This plus shows that you should add to get the center number. Okay. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 3 fives are 5 ones are. Now you decide two numbers. If you add them, you should get 14. 14. So 3 threes are 9, 5 ones are 5, 9 and 5 14. Yes. But see, center is minus 14. So you take both minus. Because minus 9 minus 5 minus 14. If center is plus, we take both plus. So whenever plus is there, we take both plus or both minus depending on center number. Center is minus, so both minus. Okay. See, minus 9x minus 5x plus 15. What is common here? 3x. 3x is common, so x minus 3. 3 threes are 9. Here 5 common. 3x common, so x left. 3 threes are 9, x is common. These two 5 common. X left, minus into plus minus. 5 threes are 15. This and this same, one factor. What is the second factor? 3x minus 5. Yes. So each factor is 0. This is 0. This is 0. This is 0. This is 0. X is plus 3. Plus 5. 5 by 3. Yes. So we got what zeros are? 3 and 5 by 3. Finished. Clear? So this is the second time. It was second time. So second type I am doing one more question. Let's say find the zeros. 3x square minus 10x plus 3. One more question. So same method. First you should take this is equal to 0. 3 threes are 9. Yes, 3 threes are 9. Plus. Immediately write sign. Plus means you should add to get center number 10. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. Finished. Now you decide two numbers. If you add them, you should get 10. So 3 threes are 9 and 1. 9 and 1, 10. Center is minus. So you take both minus. If center is plus, both plus. Like that. Minus 9 minus 1 minus 10. Minus 9 minus 1 plus 3. Okay. So 3x common. 3 threes are 9. X is already common. Here nothing is common. See, nothing is common means we should take one common. X. Minus into plus minus. Minus plus minus. 1 threes are 3. Yes, 1 threes are 3. These two same. Write one factor. This is second factor. Separate them. This is 0. This is 0. X is 3. X is 1 by 3. So we got zeros what? 3 and 1 by 3. Okay. So I am giving 4 practice questions. Yes. These are practice questions. For this video 3, find the zeros. So today we covered two types, plus plus, minus plus. Next video we will do the other types. Okay? Yes. So these are the practice questions. So we stop today. Thank you.